Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to take a look at an interesting exponential equation. So the equation is 10 power x plus 11 power x plus 12 power x equal to 13 power x plus 14 power x. We need to solve for the possible values of x. And before we proceed to the solution, if you like my content, please do subscribe to my channel and like this video. So let me tell you, there is no standard procedure to solve this equation. Okay, this exponential equation, but we can always do trial and error, and we can easily see that x equal to 2, this is a possible solution. So x equal to 2 is a solution. You can always substitute the value of x in the equation and verify. Okay, if you want, I'll do that now. So let's put x as 2, so we get 10 square here plus 11 squared plus 12 square if you put x as 2. So and here we get 13 squared plus 14 squared. Okay, you can always simplify this. This is very simple to simplify. 10 square is 100, 11 square is 121, 12 square is 144, and if you add them, you get the result as 365. You get the same result even here. Okay, 13 square is 169, 14 square is 196, and you add them, you get 365. So which means x equal to 2 is a possible solution. And now I want to check if there are any other solutions. Okay, so for that we have to analyze the functions on the left side and on the right side. So first let us go on and divide both sides of the equation by 13 power x. So I'm going to divide the equation by what? By 13 power x. So let me write the equation again over here for your reference. So we have the equation over here. Let's divide this equation both sides by 13 power x, which means we have to divide every term by 13 power x. This term and this term and these two terms as well. So we have to divide everything by 13 power x, and let us simplify each and every term. So 10 power x by 13 power x can be written as 10 by 13 to the power x. And the second one, 11 power x by 13 power x can be written as 11 by 13 to the whole power x. Same way the third one, 12 by 13 to the whole power x. And here 13 power x and 13 power x is cancelled out, so we just have 1. And here we have 14 by 13 to the power x. Now let's take a look at the functions on the left side and on the right side. Okay, I'm going to tell you something here. The function that is on the left side, that is this function, this is a decreasing function. This is a decreasing function, and the function on the right side is an increasing function. Now what are these increasing and decreasing functions? If you have the idea, it's good, but if you don't have the idea, let me tell you. Decreasing function is a function when you increase the value of x in that function, the value of the function will decrease. As you increase x, the value will decrease. Increasing function means if you increase the value of x in the function, the value will go on increasing. So how can I say that this left one is a decreasing function? Okay, let me demonstrate it here. So take a look at this 10 by 13. Okay, this 10 by 13. Okay, this value is somewhere around 0.76. Now let me increase the value of x. So we are taking 10 by 13 to the power of x, right? So if I take to the power of 2, this value will be approximately 0.59. And maybe if I take the power of 3 here, I'm just increasing the values of x here. Okay, so this will become 0.45. Okay, so as you can see here, as we increase the values of x, the value of the function 10 by 13 to the power x is going on decreasing. Okay, that is because 10 by 13 is a proper fraction. Its value is between 0 and 1. Okay, so whenever we have values of values between 0 and 1, and if you take the powers, if you increase the powers, the value will go on decreasing. Okay, so the same applies for these as well. 11 by 13 and 12 by 13, they are also proper fractions. So if you increase the values of x, these will decrease. Whereas this function on the right side, that is 14 by 13, right? 14 by 13 is a value which is greater than 1. So if you increase the powers of x here, then what will happen? The value of this function will go on increasing because it's greater than 1. So the right side is an increasing function and the left side is a decreasing function, which means x equal to 2 is the only solution. So how can I say that now? If you plot the graph of a decreasing function, you can see that the graph will go down, okay, because it is a decreasing function. And if I plot the graph of an increasing function, it will go upwards. So they can meet at only one point. Okay, so that's why I'm saying that there is only one solution possible here. So you will understand this better if you take a look at the graph of these functions. So I'm going to show you the graph here. As you can see, this blue colored line, it's the graph of the left side part. So as you can see, this is decreasing, right? It's going down. Whereas this yellowish line, it is the graph of the right side part, that is 1 plus 14 by 13 to the power x. It's an increasing function. So you can see that these two graphs, they intersect at only one common point. Okay, and what is that point? You can easily get that point from here. It is 2, right? So x equal to 2 is the only solution that is possible for this exponential equation. Okay, so I hope all of you understood the solution and enjoyed the solution. For more such interesting videos, kindly subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in the next video.